Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channels. Today we're doing interview word of the dress does just not cover you but define you. The dress are more than just fabric, more than fashion. They are poetry stitches into perfections. Every fold, every shimmer, every delicate thread tell a story of elegance born for passions. When you slip into a mimar creation, you just not wear a garment, you wear confidence, grace, and legacy of timeless beauty. Each mimar dress being a dream by a designer who understands the power of femininity. Their hand craft not just shape and form but emotions. The fabric for follow like whisper, silk the cover down sweet light, and the detail are touched with the patience of true artistry. King is a beauty that never fades, no matter all your seasons. To mimar is to embody, to let what you see light without saying a word, because your style does not speak, it simply shines. Mimar craftsmanship is not a technique. Mimar dress has been avoid to the construct. Mimar dress is a nice design and the nice colors. The result is a creation that feels but ancient and new, a dance between time and taste. Whether it are the gentle fall of chiffon and of staining, each design is made to capture attentions. Your elegance, Mimar believe beauty should effortless and style should be internal. Every effortless and style should be internals. Every woman who wear Mimar become part this presented dream meet reality. Today we want to the happy Mimar dressing.